And testimony from 5 eyewitnesses today in what is now the 3rd day of the trial of Otis McKane.
Some of the most compelling coming from a mother and daughter who saw the shooting of Detective Benjamin Marconi.
Erica Hernandez has been following this trial daily and has details from inside the courtroom today. Erica?
Yeah, Jennifer and Alexandria Patterson were visiting San Antonio on November 20th, 2016 for a birthday. They were actually heading to brunch when they noticed an SAPD patrol unit with its lights on, and then a car approached behind. Now, both mother and daughter gave emotional testimony to the moments that happened next when they saw the man get out of the car and approach Detective Marconi's car with a gun.
Oh my God, Mom, he's got a gun. Mom, he's looking down. He doesn't know. That's why when we were taking him left and I saw the man get out with the gun, I started panicking and like, what the is he doing? Because I didn't know if we should honk, but then I thought maybe if he looked up that wouldn't be helpful.
Now, after describing making eye contact with the suspect, Alexandria then identified that man in court as Otis McKane. Now, Alexandria was one of 3 witnesses to identify and point out the shooter as McKane in court today. Later at 6, we're going to hear from another witness to the shooting who actually was there seconds after it happened. Steve, Alicia?
Witness after witness today testifying to seeing the shooting of Detective Benjamin Marconi on November 20th of 2016. One of those witnesses first on the scene seconds after the shooting occurred. Our Erica Hernandez has more on this testimony. Erica, a busy day at the courthouse.
Yeah, that's right, Steve. Well, Mike Flores was out for a drive when he noticed a man holding a gun approach an SAPD patrol unit that was pulled over and then heard gunshots. Flores testifies, saying after hearing shots, he quickly made a U-turn to the scene, and while the suspect was running back to his vehicle, he pulled over as well and ran out toward the SAPD unit. At the same time, the suspect's vehicle pulls away. Flores said he looked inside the cop car and saw Detective Marconi hunched over and bleeding. He described the entire incident as an execution-style killing.
Because the officer never saw it coming. If he had, it would have been a different outcome. The best way I can explain it, when he opened the door, put in, shot, the officer never had a fighting chance.
Now, Flores also testified that he later picked out Otis McKane from a photo lineup and identified him in court. Now, other testimony was given today by the man who worked at the Rent-A-Tire, where tires and rims were sold to Otis McKane, as well as from an officer who arrived at the scene. For more on all this testimony, just head to ksat.com. Patty?